What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger of a video. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. So we got some new goodies for the CRV. It's right over here. I went to Long Beach yesterday. Some guy was partying out his CRV. He got rear-ended, so he had to get rid of a couple things. And I picked up his rough country I think these are 2 inches ditch lights. So we're gonna be putting those on today. That's today's video. And I also picked up this underseat Rockville 10-inch subwoofer. So that's gonna be going under the driver's seat. So the car's gonna be bumping even more. We're not gonna be putting this one on today. We're gonna put this on whenever we upgrade our speakers. I don't know in how long that'll be. Maybe in a couple weeks or so. It's like last priority type thing. But yeah, we're gonna be installing these today. Because if you guys didn't watch last video when we were over at the trails, it got dark and it was bright with just the LED bulbs, but we need some more lighting just to be safe and so we can see more things. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna pop the hood and yeah, let me show you real quick these lights. Here, let me open the covers. Alright, so here's the lights itself. Let me put it in the sun. So it has like 2 color options, the yellow lights and then white LEDs. So yeah, you can see like the yellow lighting and all that. And the buttons over here, I don't know which color is which, but up is one color and then all the way down is like another color. Middle is obviously off. But yeah, also for the subwoofer, here's the knob, the bass knob. So yeah, that's cool. But yeah, I got everything for a pretty good deal. I think the lights I got them for $70 with the brackets. Then the subwoofer, I got it for like 80 bucks. But yeah, we just gotta order more things for the so the sound could be more better. And yeah, all right, let's get started. All right, so first thing is you're gonna want to start up the pop up the hood open. It should be a pretty simple install. You sandwich the brackets. They're from HRG, by the way. HRG Off-Road, that's where we're gonna get our lift kit from. And you just sandwich it between here, run the cables through, I'm not sure where, I think it's gonna be through this hole right here, and then obviously like the power and ground cables over here on the battery. So it's a pretty straightforward upgrade or install, I mean. But yeah, also I'm gonna link down the LEDs that I have on the truck as well. On the truck, technically. I'm gonna link them in the description so you guys could like get them as well. They're pretty bright. They're from Oxido, so keep that out in the description. And yeah. All right, start off, and then the next step is to at least my step. I'm gonna loosen up the bolts. I'm gonna take off one side completely off, and then the other side I'm gonna loosely get the bolts off so we could sandwich the plates in. And yeah, so I won't have to remove the full hood and all that, so it should be a little simple. It is a 10 mil. I am gonna switch to the gun right now so it could be quicker. But yeah, let me do that real quick. Alright, we got the first side on. It's a little idea of what it's gonna look. Now we just need to do the other side. Over here, we're gonna do the same process. Just loosen them up. I actually only took off the bolts off one side. This side is still tight. So I'm gonna take off the bolts and then adjust it, lift it up a bit, and then go on from there. Alright, and this is how we're looking. So obviously they're not plugged in, but they're pretty much on. Here's this side with the without the covers. Now let's go to the side with the covers. Looks pretty good. I really like them. I think I might run them without the covers. I think it looks more better. And besides, they're like black housing, so it's not too noticeable. And if I want to flash someone on the quicks, I can just flick the switch real quick But yeah, we're gonna start running the cables, and yeah. Alright, so my game plan is to unplug this switch. First I'm gonna take a picture so I can know where all the pins go. But I'm gonna try to fish it through this I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, right there. This hole right here. Fuck, actually I might have to trim it up a bit, but I'm gonna try to fish it through there and feed the cables over here. I think I'm gonna put the switch right here, so it's gonna come out through there, and it's a lot of wiring, so I'm gonna have to zip tie it together in like a little bundle so it won't be all everywhere. But yeah, that's the game plan. Just gotta pop this out. Oh, as easy as that. But yeah, that's the game plan. We're gonna go do that real quick. Wish me luck, and yeah. All right, quick update. We got the harness all ran through. Here's where it enters. I got it all tucked up behind over here on top of the brake booster, and then two of the main cable harnesses go over here. The power one, and then one of the ones for the lights. So I have it all tucked under, going under the fuel filter. And then for inside, I have it over here. I don't know if you guys could see. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could see, but I bundled it up, and then I have it hanging from a zip tie like onto something so it could get tucked up. Then I have it going up through right here, and then out over here for the button. I was gonna place it right here, but it's a bit taller, so it kind of hits right here against the where it curves up. So I'm gonna just leave it right here where it's all flat instead. And then the last thing to do is just put everything back on the button, and then connect the power over here. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. But yeah, I'm gonna just start putting everything back together now. Everything's all wired up, all powered up and grounded. Switch is on, panel is on. Only thing left to do is to drop the hood and turn on the lights. Here, let me do that real quick. Making sure I don't have any tools down here, and I think I'm good. Alright, so let's do the top ones. I don't know what color it's gonna be. Ooh, it's the white LEDs. Damn, that's pretty bright in this daytime. Damn, that's fucking bright. That's dope though. Oh shit, that's bright. Okay, let's do the bottoms. I think these are the DRLs. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah, that's tight as hell. I like that. I still have to switch this light out. It's still like the original one, so it's like a very dimmed orange. I was gonna do white, but I think I'm gonna do an orange so it could match with the top lights. But I don't know though. I don't know. They look hard though. Yeah, I like this. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip in the night of how it's gonna look, how bright it is, and all that. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, it is nighttime. It is 10:47, and we are here. Let's show you guys the lights. So I'm gonna show you guys the bottom switch, which is the orange lights. No, they're not that bright, obviously, but they're pretty good. Here, let me put the phone away real quick. But yeah, they're pretty bright for the daylight running lights. I think that's what they're for. Now let's show you guys the main ones now. Ready? Yeah, these things are bright. Bright. Yeah, we're gonna go to a more darker spot so you guys can see how bright they are. Alright, let me turn off my high beams, or my regular headlights, and boom. This is with the high beams and all the lights on. Look, it's pretty bright. I think I'm about to angle them a bit more out this way, but I'm pretty happy with it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys appreciated this quick install video. You know, a little cosmetic mod now, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see done on the CRV. What should be the next mod? But yeah, follow the Instagram Victor_Doza. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.